Here's a classic recipe for you today with a twist. So I'm going to do a basic hummus that most people would buy in a tub and spend a fortune for. With the Thermomix, it's one of our little quick and easy dips that take no time, and you've always got the ingredients on hand. So I've got the usual garlic, so a couple of garlic cloves. Now I'm doubling this recipe today, so it will be very similar to the one that we have on guided cooking under hummus, but I'm going to chop this down first. Now my twist, I've got some fresh turmeric, which I've just peeled, back of your knife, and I'm going to throw a knob of that in. And wait, there's more. I'm going to add a chunk of ginger. So again, with that bit of a peel. I love this knife. This is my most favourite knife ever. And you can get that one if you're interested with your Thermomix. I can tell you how you can do that. So a chunk of ginger, here we go. I'm going to give that a quick chop. All right, so the recipe is called Golden Hommus. So if any of you know what golden milk is about, it's been all the rage for a couple of years now, using your turmeric. Just chop that up, 4 seconds, beats grating. And I'm going to chuck my 2 tins of strained, rinsed chickpeas. Bring up the scales because I can. Love that about my Thermomix. And we want around 40 grams of olive oil. Now I've used MCT oil when I've been short, macadamia oil. You can have a play with this, but of course traditionally the olive oil is the way to go. Okay, we've got our secret ingredient is tahini, and we again want around about the 40 grams of that. And I love my scoop from my Thermomix toolkit. That does a good job of that, getting it out. Look at that, perfect. And the final ingredient, second final ingredient, is my lemon juice. Of course I can squeeze it over there if I want it in my hand straight in, but we don't want to miss a piece. Get all the lemon out. And I roughly like, you're looking around about 50, 60 grams of lemon juice. So imagine all these great ingredients. There you go, yeah. That's right, we're doubling, so we're going to can afford that little bit of extra. Okay, we want some salt, good Himalayan sea salt going in. And look, just for measure, really this is all about the golden hummus. I'm going to add some dried turmeric. So if you didn't have fresh turmeric, you could just make sure that you put a really good teaspoon of this in the mix. And I'd even go so far to say you can add your traditional cumin that goes in the hummus as well. But I'm really looking for, yeah, just getting the taste of the turmeric, so I'm going to leave the cumin out, but you could add a dose of that in there as well. Let's give that a mix. goldenness of that. There it is, my golden hummus. And this just takes things to another level, isn't it, when you're able to get those antioxidant rich spices. Look at that. That'll do us all week. Coupled with my beautiful flax crackers that are in the oven at the moment. We're going to have a nice sit down this afternoon. Dipping crackers. There you go. Spice up your life and add a bit more turmeric and ginger to the mix.